The villa in the video is built on 4050, 2000 square feet will be a plot, over which I'd be giving a G plus 1 3 BHK having 2500 of super built up. So this is where your plot starts from, as in the red tiles. So front I'd be giving you 6 feet of setback, and roundabout it will be 4 feet. So this would be a car parking with underwater tank having 3500 liters of capacity with overhead of 2000 with auto controller with water motor. So the front elevation will be getting wooden fixture as an honey hood for your windows and a solid Burma teak with ill branding fixture. So this will be a living. It's your dining. Dining is of 12 by 13. So it's a spacious kitchen of 14 by 16. So kitchen will be giving you granite slab, what you see here, with the carousel sink. So the sink is kind of scratch proof and sound proof. So this is your storage space, and right opposite you have your utility, which is 4 by 6 with anti-slip tiles and granite slab with stainless steel sink. So you have a back door entrance to access your vegetable gardening. So which can be used as a like private garden for multi-purpose. No. So tiles would be of Johnson or equivalent brand. So it's a vitrified. So and moreover your main door, as I said, it's Burma teak with tail branding. So this alone would cost you approx 1.3 lakh. And all your, so this is your guest bedroom in the ground floor. So all your internal doors will be of solid veneer wood coated with teak. So this is a guest bedroom of 13 by 12 with an attached washroom. So all your washroom fittings will be of either Jaguar or Hindware. So now we'll be headed to the first floor. So staircase I'll be giving you a marble flooring. So this is a Saint Gobain toughened glass with ozone fixture for your staircase. So you have a living in your first floor, which is again 14 by 16. So have your kids bedroom here, which is again 32 by 12. So I have a elevation arch in my front, so one arch should be your kids bedroom. So this is how it is. So if you want, we can get a glass opening on the roof. So again it comes with an attached washroom. So now I'll be going to the balcony. So balcony is again of 12 by 13, spacious. So the same fixture of the staircase will be given for your balcony, as in the toughened glass and the railing. So this is your master bedroom, which is of 18 by 13. So all your master bedroom fixtures is of high end. So you'll be getting a cubicle separate for dry and wet and the shower attached to your top with a false ceiling. So your sink is of a high end, which comes on a Jaguar hot and cold fixture. What? So we'll be going to the second floor, which is your terrace. So same marble. So this will be your overhead water tank, which is actually camouflaged with the building. So all your roundabout windows will be of French, as in 3 component. Aluminium glass frame with steel grill with mosquito mesh. So front arch we will be giving you Mangalore tiles, which is good at absorbing heat. So this is your phase 1. So your main road is 50 feet wide and your sub road is 40. So phase 1 is of 15 acres, total of 100 villas. So just behind these villas you'll be getting the phase 2, and this is all about the model villa.